Right. So when we talk about UCAT exam, okay, so it is entrance exam required for UK medical. Is it true? Okay, fine. So we'll be preparing for aptitudes and mental abilities. Okay. So here what we are seeing mostly reasonings will be there, verbal reasoning is there, decision making is there, okay, quantitative reasoning is there, abstract reasoning is there, and situational judgment. In short, this complete is reasoning. Okay, so you have to be very good in reasoning, Uksha. Okay. When we talk about verbal reasoning paper pattern of this, so you'll be having 11 passages. This will be very, very difficult because this will be very lengthy. I just saw all the questions, paper pattern and everything. Okay. We'll be having four question on that and timing will be also limited 21 minutes. Okay. And then decision making you'll be seeing. Okay, quantitative reasoning will be there. Okay, abstract reasoning, 55 questions will be there just on the shapes and everything. Okay, and situational judgment test. So let's start with some one topic on this. First one is what series that we are going to discuss today. Okay. So now see, you'll be seeing this type of questions, okay, where some instructions will be given, problem figure will be given, okay, answer figure will be given. Okay, what is this? Select a figure from amongst the answer figure which will continue the same series as established by the five problem figure. Okay, so Nikhil, yes, good morning, Mr. I know it might be 6 plus 4, 10:30 in your country, correct? But in my country, it is just 6 a.m. Okay, so I just got up. Okay. I'm so sorry. So now see, um, this arrow is at the top, okay, and this is what S. Okay. Now see, in the next box, what we are seeing, we are having S, but that is inverted. Okay. What this is what inverted. Completely you can see upside down, almost upside down is this. Okay. Now see, this N. This N was small in size, okay. Then suddenly what happened, and increase the size and also it is inverted, correct? Just see the L. Okay, fine. So we are finding some pattern in this. Okay. So can you just guess what option can come in the answer figure? Yes, Bacha. Nikhil. Okay, can it be option number? Can it be option number A? This one, can it be possible? The next series is this option number one. Oh, I don't think so. Even I also don't think so because this Z and this Z is almost the same. But we want exact invert figure, na? This is exactly same. So option number one is definitely wrong, sir. Okay. Now watch. Now this cannot be the correct answer. Okay. Acha. Next, can it be option number two? There is a chance कि this option number two might be correct. But just to see, if this was at the top, this became at the bottom. Okay. So what I'm expecting, this sharp point was at the top. So I wanted the sharp point to be bottom. Can you just see what I'm saying? Hmm. So I guess second is also wrong because this is not satisfying the condition, Mucha. Okay. And when we talk about third one, there is possibility third might be correct, huh? Because just see, this sharp point was at the top, sharp point was is at the bottom. Okay, and even see some new figure is given to you. Okay, sir, why can't fifth is definitely wrong because second and fifth is almost same. So we have eliminated how many options? Acha? Three options. Okay, but what about fourth one? Why do you think fourth one cannot be the answer? Any idea? Yes. S was sir already used, okay, and we can see some new figures, some new shapes are being given. Correct. So even this also I am eliminating. Okay. So what I am getting, option number three. Correct. Yeah. I guess this is the best one. Let's check it out. Okay. Yes. We will just read out this if this is correct or not. Okay, Bachar. In each steps, element at the upper right position gets enlarged. Yes, we have noticed this. Okay. Inwards vertically and reaches the lower left corner. An existing element at the lower left position is lost and a new small element appears at the upper right positions. Okay, so new element will appear, not the same element, and we have taken care of. Okay, so these types of questions will be there. Okay, in your exams. Now see. Yes, Victor. Select a figure from amongst the answer figure which will continue the same series as established by five problem figure. Okay, so this is same again. We will not be reading this. Okay, this. Okay, let's talk about this. You have to find some pattern. Huh? I know you are in only ninth grade, so how many subjects you have in maths? Only one subject, or this is two algebra and geometry? Okay, so you have only maths, and in that you'll be having both. Okay, fine. Very good. I'm basically a maths teacher in the school. Okay. So I'm very fond of maths. That's all. So now see, here what we can see, sir, some pattern we will have to find. Okay. Now my question is where this question mark went. This question mark went at the top right corner, no, top left corner, correct? So this is my right, this will be my left. Okay, top left corner. Okay, I found a pattern. This equal to went in the top left. Okay, this question mark went in the top left. All right, so where this box will in the top left. So this is wrong. This is also wrong. This is also wrong. This is also wrong. Option number two. What do you think? Yes, Nikhil. Okay. Yes. Yes, we found a pattern, Bacha, that the middle one is going in the top left corner. Correct? So I guess option number two must be correct. Just let's check it out. Okay. Oh, fine. But the reason they are given is in each steps elements move in the sequence. All right. Oh, what a question. So many figures I have, okay, and something is happening. I don't know exactly what is this, but something is happening. Wicked. Um, hmm. Okay, fine. So what we are seeing, this plus is moving from year till year. Okay. All right. After that, this minus. Okay, minus is moving. And then. Oh, one you are saying option number one, one or four. Okay, fine. Okay, let's check. Let me check. Huh? This triangle is going over here. Okay. After that, this square is going. After that, this circle which should come here. Okay, so this is definitely wrong. Yeah, this is also wrong. They have not changed the position. No? Plus four at the same position. So fifth is also wrong. Correct. Now I'm confused between first and fourth. Let's just help me out. Okay. Uh, Initially I should have circle. I am having circle in both. Then plus also I'm having in both. Okay. Minus, which are minus also I'm having in both. Triangle I'm having in both. Okay. Uh, Square, yes, definitely I'm having. Oh, what is the difference? No, there is a difference. No. Yes, there is a difference. I found a difference, but I'm expecting the answer from it. Four? Very good, Ucha. Because I guess here I should have a triangle. OMG, sir. And only number fourth I can see. So this is wrong, sir. Come on. Fourth one is correct. Let me check the answers. Oh, fourth is correct. In each step, the CW. What is CW? Hmm? Clockwise and element. Okay. Clockwise. Clockwise and element moves to the anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise, this is what any direction they are giving. Okay, we have seen our clock is moving like this. Okay, maybe this is one, this is three, six, nine. Okay, so if this is in this direction, so this is clockwise direction. Okay, okay. And this is what anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Fine, Nikhil. Very good. Okay. Oh, and to judge a student is best way to have the reasoning test because he he might be very good in the school, because he might be very good in learning. Okay, but in reasoning, he might be having problem. Now, say, uh, here what we can do. Oh, you are typing something. Yes, Nikhil, everything is okay. You are saying my voice is not coming. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see, sir, what is happening? OMG. Hmm? Three boxes up, two boxes, no, three boxes down, two boxes up. Oh, this is not a logic, sir. Something else.
Yeah.
Sir, as we can find, this bigger box was below, okay, and after that, okay, hmm, just focus like this, huh? The bigger box was here, okay, then it went here. All right, it is working here. Then it went here, okay.
Yeah.
Then it went here. After that, it went here. Now I want at the top right position. OMG. All are having at the top right position. And this is blunder. OMG. Now we will have to find some another logic. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So just look at the shaded part. Okay.
Yeah.
Initially, it was here. Okay. It just moved one part up. Okay. After that,
Yeah.
what happened? OMG. After that, just leaving one, I got this. Okay.
Yeah.
After that, leaving two, I got this. Okay. After that, one, two, three, four. OMG. Just look at the shader. They are going in some ratio, I can see. If I try to clear you, this is my rectangle, okay, and something like this, okay. Initially, I'm having here one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, okay. So in the first one, I'm having one, okay. In the second one, I'm having two position, second position. But in the third one, I'm getting fourth position. No, see the magic. And in the D1, I'm getting seventh position. And in the E1, after seven, I can count eight, nine, 10th, 11th position. Oh, MG, sir. So here I'm seeing increment of plus 1. Here I can see increment of plus 2. Here plus 3. Here plus 4. Now I should have plus 5. Okay. So plus 5 now. So this is my shaded. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So fifth means this one. Huh? So this is
Maybe.
wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. Okay. Now I have two yet option, one or two. Okay. Can you just help me with this? Okay. Mhm. I guess even the smaller square is also rotating the shadow part. Correct.
Yeah.
Initially it was here, okay. Then it went here. After that, what happened? He left one boxes, okay. It went here. It left two boxes. It went here. After that, three boxes it mentioned. Now just leave four boxes. Okay. So one, two, three, four. Here I should have. I guess option number A is correct. I hope you understood how the shadow was rotating.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, option number A is correct, and we do not have time to read this. OMG. I brought 10 questions on this, but we will be doing only 5 questions. After that, one more section I have. Uh, that is also same figure type. Okay, we will go on that. So what is this? Oh, 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 oh. Here what I have this part, okay, this part, and suddenly one is changing here, okay, okay. After that, second one is also changing. Then this is changing. This cannot be, this cannot be, this also cannot be, but both will also not change. I guess option number fifth should be the answer, and that's perfectly wrong.
Oh,
OMG. Yes, Nikhil, can you just help me with the pattern? Now I have seen the answer. Option is A, but I want the reason.
oh,
Okay, they are very small. Initially, if I keep the first one constant, so I can see
oh.
only one
Like,
change.
I think the one on the left, it's like
One is
left,
correct.
left, right, right, left, and it has to be the left again.
Correct. This is also changed, and this is also changed. After that, this is changed, this is changed, this is changed. Oh, and geez. Three, after that, four should change. This changed. Oh, this did not change. Oh, okay, maybe like
I
one,
think it's
two,
left,
three.
left, right,
Now
right.
in that, two should change. So this should change. Oh, I got a ratio. Okay, this is one ratio, two ratio, three. Then one ratio, two ratio. Correct. So option number one is correct. So you'll be seeing these types of question in your paper. Okay. Some more questions were there, but let's do some another type. Okay. Rule detection. Sir, what is rule detection? Let's talk about this. Rule detection means some rules will be given to you. Okay. Closed figure losing their sides and open figure gaining their sides. All right, sir. And we have to find in which option this rule is getting followed up. Let's see. What do you think?
Um,
Closed one losing their sight. Okay, if you try to understand the rule now, Cha, closed one is what doing losing their sights. Okay, and open figure is gaining their sights.
oh, so it's three, right?
Did you find? Oh, this was closed, sir. This is losing the sight.
Yeah, but
But
if
but
the
this is
same
not
side,
losing. Oh, I don't think so. Plus, first one is correct.
The second one is not losing
And
any side.
second one is also not correct because a open or closed figure is not losing the side. One, two, three. There is a chance the third one might be correct. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's the third one.
Third one. Okay. Yes, sir. Perfect, bacha. Okay, fine. Very nicely you understood this model show. Now see, any figure can be traced by a single unbroken line without retreating. What is this? Any figure can be traced by a single unbroken line without retreating. Means the you do not have to overlap the lines. Ah, that's simple. Any idea what is happening?
Yeah. So one cannot be.
Sorry,
So it can't be number one
it
because
can it cannot be number one. You are saying correct?
yeah, it can be
Because
number
this
two.
is not a closed figure, na. If I start from here, I will end over here. I cannot, and if I go over here, I will have to retrace it again. Correct?
Yeah. So it can be two. Yes.
It can be two. You are saying
Yeah.
zoom, 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 zoom. I guess I'm touching the line.
Oh wait.
I'm touching the line. I don't think so. Option number two should be. Oh, option number two is correct. How did you do this? Can you just explain me?
It can be touching, but it can't be retracing. Like for number one, if you do it, you have to retrace it to come back down.
Okay, so third one here I can see some obstacles, correct?
Uh,
So that is why second one is correct. Very good. Hmm, very good, Bacha, very good. Let's talk about this question number third, sir. What I have? Closed figure gradually become open and open. Acha, open and open figure gradually become closed. All right, sir. This is same as first one you can say. No, in my lecture, one advantage will be there. You do not have to make the notes. Okay. So actually the questions are very hard, so I'll not be saying you to write everything. You can just enjoy. What is happening? Closed figure becoming open and open figure gradually become closed. Any idea?
um,
So this
I think it's number three, right?
circle cannot be. Come on, this is wrong.
Number three. Number three. Number three.
In the fourth one, I can see they are just rotating. Okay, here they have at least rotated. See, this is also wrong. Huh? In the first one, OMG. I can see a circle and then suddenly it became triangle. This is also wrong. Yeah, third one might be correct. Just check. This side went, this side went, this side also went. Okay. And this is adding up. Okay. All right. So third one might be correct. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, option number C is correct, which are very good. What is the meaning of more and more open? Okay, chalo.
Um,
Closed
could you,
figure
like,
becomes
could
more
you go
and
back to
more
the
open.
last? What was the answer? The last question. What was that, right? Number three.
An open figure become more and more closed. Okay.
Uh,
Question number four, so
one second. Let me just see if I can change the camera setting. One second.
oh, Nikki loves baseball,
Thank you. Oh, basketball.
basketball.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, I like basketball.
Acha.
Right. I think it's number one.
Number one. Okay. I think you are correct because in the third one I cannot see any changes. Okay, let's go with the option number A, and A is correct. Very good. What a rule. Question number five. The series become complex as it proceeds.
Yeah,
The series will become complex, means more and more difficult
I
as
think
it proceeds.
I think it's number two.
Two.
Yeah,
Okay, sure. In this third one, what is happening? It is losing so many figure. Okay. In the fourth one, I can see, yeah, losing and rotating. Rotating. Okay, losing and rotating. Then gaining and losing. And in the first one, two. Okay, just let me check. Yes, sure. Oh, MG. Very good, Nikhil. Oh, one more question I have. Oh, MG. Oh, we are very near to close this PPT. Closed
right.
figure become more and more open, and open figure become more and more closed. Okay. Okay, so
It'll
but
be
in
number
the
four.
first one, I can see the size of C is decreasing.
Number
That's
four.
not possible. So, what about second one?
No,
Second one, I guess the triangle
one.
is gradually becoming more and more
It is second.
closed.
Yeah. What?
And
What is? I think it is the second one.
sorry,
I think it is the second one.
second one. It might be wrong ones. Because in the third one, the inside rectangle, I cannot see any changes in the inside rectangle part. So I cannot go with the third also. Okay. Fourth also, the triangle is more and more close. No, the triangle is opening, but in the first and second, I cannot see any movement. Okay. So even I am also going with option number two, B.
Yes.
Yes, sir, that's so correct. Very good. All right, so end of the slides. All right, Nikhil. So these types of complex things you'll be seeing. Okay.
Right.
I got this ultimate guide, okay, in which everything is there. What is UCAT? When the dates start for registration? Okay. And what are the documents required? So you want to pursue medicine, correct? Medical line में जाना है. You want to be doctor?
Yeah. No,
Okay.
dentist,
Dentist.
dentist
Very,
surgeon.
very good. Bacha. There is very scope in dentist. The people are going to eat more and more, and they are going to destroy the teeth. Oh, so many things. Okay. I also heard that this is of how many marks? 900 marks.
Uh, 3,000.
Kitna? How many?
3,000.
3,000 marks paper. Oh, OMG. Such a great exam. And you are going to give after your 10th, correct?
The thing is to just try for 11, 10 and 11. So the 12th one is the one which they will consider.
Okay, so after 12th you will give or after 10th you will give?
No, he will give one in 10th when he's in year 10. He'll give one
Okay,
in when he's in year 11, just as a practice. But the
okay,
one which he gives in year 12 is considered for his medical.
okay, fine. So after 12th they will be giving you the chance to attempt. Okay.
No, the year 12, if you, when you attend in the year 12, that is the one which is considered. If you do, sometimes they do consider even year 11 because I think
Okay,
it is valid for, I think it's valid for more than a year or 2 years sometimes. So,
okay,
yeah, if we can see 11 and 12, whichever gets the highest score, we can give that. That also
okay.
is a possibility. But
So
year
if he cracked in year 10, so that score will be valid for 12th also.
no, no, it won't be valid for 12. Only 11 will be valid for 12.
Okay, only 11th score will be valid.
Yeah, yeah. 11 and
Okay,
12 will be valid. So we can choose between 11 and 12.
okay. All right.
Yeah, you can is there even in India now.
From India also we can give.
Yeah, yeah. A lot of students do from there. There are few centers in Mumbai, Bangalore, Kanpur. They can take they can do the UCAT if they want to do medicine in UK or India or UK or Australia. They can
Okay,
take UCAT in India.
okay. I will inform to my students. Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah. So what are the other subjects you take, sir?
I take actually math subject. I
Maths.
teach
Okay.
maths. Maths especially you can see like this. Maths and I also take Vedic maths
Oh, Vedic
and
maths. Oh, okay.
algebra, geometry. or school section maths. I think.
Okay. And so for what years do you do, sir?
F- from year 8 to year 12.
Yes.
Yeah. This reasoning partner I was doing 2 3 years before with and that with Gitanjali ma'am. Okay,
Yeah.
2 3 years before too. What
Yeah.
year four kids with the students who are in fourth standard. I used to take the reasoning of that student long
Oh.
before. Uh, They were literally very small but very enthusiastic for all these things.
Oh, okay. So,
Uh,
so the reasoning is, how do you think the reasoning will help for students? Like, how do you think? Like, I know for Nikhil it's a UCAT, but other than that, uh, you know,
there are so many exam in India also. No, if you are going for any government exam or any bank exam, you will be seeing a section known as reasoning. Other than this, you will also have to give English and maths, but reasoning is also one of the part. So that's why reasoning is important for any competitive exam, especially when you are at the graduation level. So you'll be requiring, okay, for any competitive, for selection. Mm.
yeah. So, and any what
But
is the
for the
time?
UCAT, now I'm seeing this is first time in our country. Now, if you are going for medical, so you just have to appear for NEET exam. NEET exam in the sense only medical will be there and physics and chemistry will be there. Medical
Yeah,
means
yeah.
biology will be there and physics and chemistry. But reasoning for medicine, this is first time I'm seeing.
Yeah, even I didn't know. I thought only your academic, like math. No, sorry, here it is physics, chemistry, and biology. I think that's the only thing. But here it's kind of a funny situation. They have HR. HR is like a score, and it can be you can take any subject basically. And if you have the highest score, you can choose medicine. But if you have not done physics, chemistry, biology in year 10, 11, 12, then you have to do it when you join medicine. So you have to do
Okay,
all the subjects as a prerequisite. So it is really, I don't know what stupidity it is. Like you can take any silly subjects and get a high ATAR score, get
okay,
into medicine, and then study all these subjects. So people will not do that, but it's common sense to do physics, chemistry, and biology. And then that is one part HR, and then 50% is from HR and 50% is from UCAT. And
okay,
UCAT is only reasoning; it's only nothing to do with your subjects. It's to see what they're seeing is how much of your common sense is there, basically, which is very
correct,
lacking in
correct. And in
students
the
nowadays.
school, there is no subject known as reasoning, correct?
No, there's nothing for reasoning
Okay,
at all.
okay.
So they what because I think they found that as the nowadays students are more addicted to gadgets and their common sense is gone. So that's trying to see students who have good common sense, who can reason out things, they can get into medicine.
Okay.
So it's kind of, I think it's good. I think it's just not academics, it's also reasoning, which I think is a
Okay.
very good way.
In India,
Uh,
if you are good at learning, na, then you can pursue
yeah,
medicine.
yeah,
If
yeah.
you are
If you
good
can
at by
mother,
hearting the things,
yeah,
just take the
exactly.
medicine and do it well.
Yeah, exactly. That's funny. Yeah, my sister is a doctor here.
Okay.
So yeah, yeah. So
Okay.
she finished all her medicine in BMC, Bangalore Medical College. So
Okay.
we know, like all it was that time she said was let us read, 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 read. That's all it was about. But here in this country, it's more like how do you approach a situation, whatever the problem is, how do you